Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix error code 013 in the Crew Motorfest. First, try restarting your game and then your entire gaming platform, whether it's a PC or console. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak or intermittent connection can frequently cause online game errors. Finally, verify the integrity of your game files through your platform's launcher to fix any corrupted data. These initial steps are quick and often effective. If the initial steps don't work, let's focus on your network. Power cycle your router and modem by unplugging them for at least 30 seconds before plugging them back in. This refreshes your network connection. Consider using a wired Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection, especially if you're experiencing frequent disconnections. Also, check that no other applications or devices are heavily using your internet bandwidth, which can impact game performance. Next, ensure all your software is up to date. Make sure the Crew Motorfest itself is updated to its latest version. Also, check for any pending updates for your operating system and graphics drivers, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. As a temporary measure, you might try disabling your firewall or antivirus software to see if they are blocking the game's connection, but remember to re-enable them afterward for security. If you've tried everything else, a complete reinstallation of the Crew Motorfest might be necessary. While time-consuming, it can resolve deeper file corruption issues. If the error persists, it's best to contact Ubisoft support directly. Provide them with the error code 013 and a detailed list of all the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Also, check official game forums and community pages. Other players might have found specific solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.